Welcome to Lessons in Syllable Division. We are going to look at syllable basics, looking at what an open syllable is, a closed syllable, and the steps in dividing up a word into syllables. First, an open syllable. This word is an example of an open syllable. The last letter is a vowel, so that means it's an open syllable, and the vowel is going to have a long vowel sound, and it's going to say its name. So whenever we have a long vowel, we'll put the little line above the vowel to show that it is a long vowel. So this word we would pronounce w, e, we. Now we're going to look at what a closed syllable is. With closed syllables, the last letter is a consonant. That means that vowel is kind of closed off. And the vowel is going to make a short vowel sound. So we kind of put that little, almost looks like a U above the vowel to show that it's a short vowel sound. So this word we would pronounce b, ug, bug. Remember, every syllable must have a vowel sound. Here's the quick overview of the steps that we're going to follow. We're going to mark the vowels, draw a bridge, focus on the consonants between the vowels while thinking about syllable patterns, syllable rules, and the vowel sounds. Divide your syllables, read each syllable, read the whole word. Does it make sense? If not, try to divide the syllables differently. There are 4 primary types of syllable patterns that we find. The V will stand for vowel, the C stands for consonant. And we are going to discuss each of these patterns as we continue through this presentation. We are going to start with the most common syllable pattern, which is VCCV, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. Here's the word that we will use. Step 1, label the vowels, so marking each vowel with a V underneath. Step 2, draw a bridge between the V's. This is going to allow us to focus on the letters that come between the vowels. Step 3, look at the consonants between the vowels. What's the syllable pattern? We have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, which is V, C, C, V pattern. And we're going to divide our syllables. So anytime we have 2 consonants in the middle of 2 vowels, we're going to split the consonants. Now we're going to read each syllable. Remember, thinking about, is it an open syllable or is it a closed syllable? The first syllable has a consonant as the last letter. So that means this is a closed syllable. And the vowel is going to make a short vowel sound. P, k, pick. The second syllable, the last letter is also a consonant, meaning it is a closed syllable, and the vowel is going to make a short vowel sound. ick, nick. Now, let's read the whole word. Picnic, picnic. Does it make sense? If not, try to divide the syllables differently. The next pattern we're going to look at is VCV pattern. If you notice, the split on this is going to be before the consonant. Here's the word we're going to use. Step 1, label the vowels. Step 2, draw the bridge. Step 3, look at the consonants between the vowels. What is the syllable pattern? In this case, we see vowel, consonant, vowel. Now divide your syllables. In this one, we're going to divide it after the first vowel. Step 5, read each syllable, thinking about is it an open syllable or a closed syllable. In the first syllable, the last letter is a vowel, so it's an open syllable, meaning that the vowel is going to make a long vowel sound. P, r, e, pre. In the second syllable, the last letter is a consonant. This is a closed syllable, meaning that the vowel is going to make a short vowel sound. T, e, nd, tend. Now we're going to read the whole word. Pretend, pretend. Does it make sense? If not, try to divide the syllables differently. Now we're going to look at a different way to divide a VCV syllable pattern. We're going to divide it after the consonant rather than before, like we did in the last one. Here's the word that we'll use. Label the vowels. Draw a bridge. That bridge is allowing us to focus on what consonants are between the vowels. What's the syllable pattern? This is VCV, just like the previous word. And this time we're going to divide it after the consonant instead of before. Now we're going to read each syllable. Remember, is it an open syllable or a closed syllable? The first syllable has a consonant as the last letter, meaning it is a closed syllable, and the vowel is going to make a short vowel sound. Ab, hab. The second syllable, the last letter is also a consonant, so that is going to give us a closed syllable and a short vowel sound. It, it. Now let's read the whole word. Hab, it, habit. Does it make sense? If not, divide the syllables differently. Our last syllable pattern is vowel-vowel syllable pattern, and this is where we'll split between the two vowels. Here's the word we're going to use. Label the vowels. Draw a bridge. Look at the consonants between the vowels, and in this case, there are no consonants between the vowels. Think about what's the syllable pattern. Vowel, vowel. So we are going to divide our syllable between the two vowels. Now there are exceptions to this. There are certain words where you have vowel teams, where maybe two vowels or a vowel and another consonant work together to make the vowel sound. You will never split those. However, in this case, that is not the situation here. Let's read each syllable, thinking about, is it open or closed? The last letter of the first syllable is a vowel, meaning it's an open syllable, and it's going to make a long vowel sound. P-O, po. Looking at the second syllable, the last letter is a consonant, meaning it's a closed syllable, and the vowel is going to make a short vowel sound. E, m, m. Now, let's read the whole word. Po-em, poem. Does it make sense? If not, divide the syllables differently. Now I want to take you through just a 3-syllable word so you can see how this would work with even larger words. Here's the word we'll use. So we start off with labeling the vowels. We'll draw a bridge, and we're going to draw that bridge between each vowel, all of the V's. Now we're going to look at the first 2 vowels, and we're going to look at the consonants between those first 2 vowels. What's the syllable pattern? We have vowel, consonant, vowel. So V, C, V. We're going to divide our syllables. Now we're going to go to the second vowel, second and third vowels, and look between those 2. We have an R and an N. So thinking about that, what's the syllable pattern? Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. And so whenever we have that, 2 consonants in the center, we usually just split those. And so we're splitting the 2 consonants. And when we look at the third and fourth vowels, one thing that I notice is that E comes at the very end of the word, and there's 1 consonant between the A and that E at the end. That's right, there's that silent E or magic E. So that E is a teammate to the A. E is going to make the A say its name. So I'm not going to split those because that E is not making another vowel sound. It's helping and working with that A. And that is also why I put the V in purple rather than red, because that's helping and not making a vowel sound. Now we're going to read each syllable, remembering whether it's open or closed. So the first syllable, the last letter is a vowel. It's an open syllable. The vowel is going to have a long vowel sound. I, high. The second syllable, the last letter is a consonant. This is a closed syllable. Now, it is an R-controlled vowel, so that E and R actually work together to make that vowel sound. B, burr. And the last syllable, again, has an E as the last letter. So that silent E gives the A long vowel sound. N, ate, nate. Now read the whole word. Hibernate. Hibernate. Does it make sense? If not, try to divide the syllables differently. And here's a series of syllable division rules and reminders about different things with compound words, R-controlled vowels or bossy R's, prefixes, suffixes, that sort of thing. That can also help when you are dividing up words into syllables. Thank you for joining me on these lessons in syllable division.